Hello students, good morning. Today again I'm going to solve the remaining part of your exercise first B. Okay, in that exercise first B, question number 12, 11, 12, 13, I have given that homework. In that I'm going to solve this question number 12 students. Okay, so question number 12, and it is very important question. Okay, a path of width 2 meter runs around a square garden of side 30 meter. Find the area of the path. A path of width 2 meter runs around a square garden of side 30 meter. A square garden is given, means all sides are equal. A square means that it is equal. It is given that 30 meter. Okay, this is 30 meter, this one is also 30 meter. Okay, this is a garden, square garden, and 2 meter wide path. 2 meter okay, that is the length of 2 meter, all sides. Meter wide path. Okay, this is the path. Okay, so find the area of the path. It asks that to find this area of this region. Okay, this region. So in that whatever it's given, first you write that given that. If you want, you can write that name also. Okay, this one is A, B, C, D, and this one is if you want, you can E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H is the name of this field. Okay, A, B, C, D is that square garden, and E, F, G, H is that region, square region of 2 meter width path also. Okay, so in that in the figure given that A, B, C, D is equal to square garden. In that square garden. Okay, and square garden whose side is 30 meter. Whose side is 30 meter. Now E, F, G, H is equal to square garden with E, F, G, the region included square garden with 2 meter wide path. Okay, 2 meter wide path. So 2 meter wide path. So it's a side since so EF, side EF is equal to AB plus 2 plus 2. AB is equal to 30 plus 2 plus 2. You will get this one 34 meter. So this length of this region is 34 meter. So this is also a 34 meter. Okay, this is the side of this square portion. Okay. Now the area of a square garden. After that, I am going to find that the area of a square garden. Okay. Now area of square garden A, B, C, D, and you know that the area of square garden is side multiply by side, and this one is a 30 multiply by 30, you will get this one 900 meter square is the area of a square garden, area of this portion. Okay, area of this portion 900 meter square. Now the area of a square garden, now the area, after that area of EFGH included, area of EFGH included 2 meter wide path is equal to length side multiply by side. Okay, so you know that the side is 34 is multiplied by 34 students. If you multiply this one, you will get 34 is multiplied by 34, so you will get this one. If you multiply this one, 4 4 is 60, you will get this 1156 meter square is the area of this region. Okay, area of EFGH included 2 meter wide path is equal to side multiply by side. 34 is multiplied by 34, you will get this 1156 meter square. Okay, this is the area of this whole region. Okay, now our aim is to find that the area of this required path. Okay, now hence the area of required path is equal to area of a required path is equal to area of region, area of EFGH minus area of square garden A, B, C, D. So this one is a 1156 minus 900. If you subtract this one, I think if you subtract this one, you will get 5, 6, and from 11 you will minus 9, then you will get here 296 meter square is the area of this path. Okay, so 256 meter square, 256 meter square is the area of this path. Okay students, this is your question number 12. Now see this question number 13. A rectangle garden is 60 meter long and 40 meter wide. Through the middle of the garden run 2 straight paths at right angles to each other. If the width of each path is 2 meter, find the area of the remaining portion of the garden. Okay, a rectangle garden is a 60 meter long and 40 meter wide. So this is your question number 13 students, and it's good question students. See the figure. It's very important to make the figure of the given solution. Okay. This is a 60 meter and this one is a 40 meter wide. It is a garden. Okay. It's a rectangular garden. Through the middle of the garden runs two straight paths at the right angle to each other. If the width of each path is 2 meter, there is a two path in the middle. Okay. And its width is a 2 meter. 2 meter. Okay. 2 meter is the width. This is also a 2 meter. Okay. Now this is the common reason. This is also 2 meter and this from this side also 2 meter. Okay. So in that our aim is to find that the area of this remaining portion, means that remove the area of this path. Okay students. So in that I am going to write that first the name A, B, C, D is a rectangular garden. Then after the name of the roads I want to write this one. This one is a P, Q, R, yes. This one is a L, E, F, G, H, and this one is a L, M, N, O. This is the common region. L, M, N, O is the common region. E, F, G, H. Okay, this is the second road and this one is the first road, P, Q, R, S. Okay. So what we have done that I am going to write this one. Okay. In the figure, in the given figure or in the figure, not given, we have met this one. In the figure, A, B, C, D is equal to a rectangular garden whose length is equal to 60 meter and breadth is equal to 40 meter. Okay. So the area, this is the rectangular garden and P, Q, R, yes, and E, F, G, H are the two roads. Okay. Inside this garden. Okay. Two roads and PQRS and EFGH are the two roads inside the garden, and L, M, N, O is the common region included by two roads. Okay. So first our aim is to find that the area of this rectangular garden, total area. Okay. So now this thing is given. Okay. So now the area of rectangular garden length is multiplied by breadth. Length is given that 60 and 60 is multiplied by 40, what you will get, the students, you will get this 2400 meter square. Okay, so this is the total area of this region, 2400 meter square. Now our aim is to find that the area of this first road, area of a road PQRS, and the area of a road EFGH, and then after common area of this road. If we subtract this common region from the sum of two area of the two roads, then we get that the area of the only that area of this region, because this one included in this road also and this one also, so we subtract 1 times from this region. Okay, for the road. Okay, after that I am going to erase this one. Okay, here I think you have completed this one. Now for first road, for road, okay, for road PQRS, we have it is a rectangular, so PQ is equal to, means that length is equal to, it is given that length is PQ is equal to, or you can write this PQ is equal to 2 meter and QR is equal to BC is equal to 40 meter. Okay, so it is a rectangular, so area of road PQRS, area of road PQRS is equal to length multiplied by breadth. 2 is multiplied by 40, you will get this one, 80 meter square. Okay, 80 meter square, area of the road PQRS. Now for next one is for road EFGH, we have EF is equal to AB is equal to length is equal to 60 meter. Now EH is equal to FG is equal to 2 meter, and that one is a breadth. Okay, so you always remember that the area of a rectangular garden is a 2400 meter square. Okay, area of a rectangular garden, this area of a garden ABCD is equal to 2400 meter square. This is the area of this rectangular garden. Okay, now area of road EFGH is equal to length multiplied by breadth, and this is a 60 multiplied by 2, you will get this one, 120 meter square is the area of this road EFGH. Okay, and this LMNO is the region included in both the roads, students. Okay, so we have subtract the area of LMNO from the sum of the two areas. Okay, so for calculation we are going to do that. For calculation, for here you see this for LMNO is the common region. Okay, common region of two roads. Okay, so in that it is a square, LMNO is a square, it is a common region. So side is equal to 2 meter, side is equal to 2 meter, so the area area of region L, M, N, O is equal to side multiply by side 2 into 2, what you will get, students? 4 meter square is the region area of this region L, M, N, O. Okay, now our aim is to find that the area of two roads, total area of the two roads. Okay, now then total area of two roads is equal to sum of areas of PQRS plus EFGH minus area of LMNO, area of LMNO. Okay, area of LMNO. So you know that the area of PQRS 2 is multiplied by 40, you get this 80, and the area of EFGH 60 is multiplied by 2, 120, and minus 2 to the 4. So this one is a 200 minus 4, you will get this 196 meter square is the area of this two road. And if you subtract the area of this two road from the total area, you will get that the area of the remaining portion, students. Okay, hence area of the remaining the area of remaining portion of the garden is equal to area of the garden ABCD minus area of two roads, is equal to area of the two garden is equal to 2400 minus 196. If we subtract this one, 4 from 9 minus 9, 0, from 3 minus 1, 2, and 2 is remaining. So 2204 meter square is the area of this remaining portion. Okay, so 2204 meter square is the area of this remaining portion. So it is very easy. First you find that the area of the total region, means whole region, length is multiplied by breadth, 60 is multiplied by 40, 2400, okay, meter square. And then after you will find that the area of this region PQRS, this road, length is multiplied by breadth. Its breadth is 20 and length is 40, or you tell this breadth is 40 and length is 80 meter square, and area of this region 2 is multiplied by 60, you will get this 120 meter square is the total area of the road. In that, this region included 2 times, so you will subtract 1 times the area of this common region LMNO, it is a square. So length is multiplied by breadth, 2 is multiplied by 2, side multiply by side, 2 is multiplied by 2, you will get this 4 meter square. So from the total area of this road, you will subtract the common region, you will get 196 meter square. So it is the area of this two road, and from the total area, if you subtract the area of this 196 meter square, you will get that the area of the remaining portion which is not included by this road. Okay, so it is a 2204 meter square, students. Okay, students, with that this question number 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 all are the same as it is. So I will you can do this question number 15, 14, 15, 16. Okay, in next means last video I will solve this question number 17 and 18, students. Okay, till that, thank you.